Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to check if a given number is a perfect number or not. A perfect number is a positive integer which is equal to the sum of its divisors. For example, 6 is a perfect number because the sum of its divisors 1 plus 2 plus 3 which is equal to 6. So 6 is a perfect number. We are going to write a Python program to check the given number is a perfect number or not. Variable n equal to integer of input of within double quotation enter a number and I'm giving a colon. The input statement display the string enter a number in the user's console. When user enter a number, input statement receives it as a string. In function, convert it as an integer and storing it in the variable n. A variable sum equal to 0. Now I'm writing the for loop for I in range starting number 1, the ending number n, colon. For is the keyword of the for loop, I is the loop variable. Range function generate a sequence from 1 to n minus 1, starting number to n number minus 1. I will take the value 1 by 1. That means from 1 to n minus 1 in the each iteration. The in operator helps this purpose. So the loop will go from 1 to n minus 1. Now I am checking if n modulo I double equal to 0. So here in the if statement I am checking the condition if I am dividing the value n, the number, by the I value which returns a remainder 0. That means that is a divisor. Modulo operator always return the remainder only. So now I is become a divisor. I am adding the I in the variable sum. Sum equal to sum plus I. So the loop will go from 1 to n minus 1. All the divisors will get added in the variable sum. Here we have to note the indentation. So the indentation stands for the scope. For example, if statement which is inside the body of the for loop and the sum which is in the scope of the if statement, in the body of the if statement. The indentation stands for the scope. Now I am coming out of the body of the for loop and check if sum double equal to n. That means the value in the sum which is equal to the value in the variable n. I am printing print n is a perfect number. Else colon print n is not a perfect number. So this is my program. After the body of the for loop, I am coming out and check the value in the sum and value in the variable n are equal. They are same. I am printing n is a perfect number. If this is not true, the sum not equal to n, that means that is not a perfect number. So n is not a perfect number. The value in the variable n followed by the string is not a perfect number will get printed. If the values are equal, the value in the variable n followed by the string is a perfect number will get printed. That is n is a perfect number if sum double equal to n. If the value in the sum is equal to value in the variable n. Otherwise, it is not a perfect number. We will execute the program and check the result. I'm entering 6. So 6 is a perfect number. I'm going to execute the program again. I'm giving 9. 9 is not the perfect number. We'll check another perfect number, that is 28. I'm giving 28. 28 is a perfect number. The program is working perfectly. It will work for any number. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and press the bell button. Thank you.